Well, we all know what these things are. Yes, those are the things you push this plunger up and you go like that, and it sucks the solder away. Right, but the thing is, usually they come with a really hard plastic thing, which is a pain in the arse because 90% of the time you're putting it onto something at a bloody angle, and it just, it's a pain. Now you can get these which have a silicone tip, and those silicone tips are great because they get right up and you can put them at slight angles and really push them on, and really nice. Anyway, so I decided to, oh bollocks, oh shut up. Right, okay. I decided to go onto eBay and I found some silicone tube, and it's the correct inner bore, correct outer bore-ish. Right, now I've got two types here. They both look practically the same. Right, this one here, the tube goes through this black cap, and it basically is a nice interference fit. So when I push the thing up, there you go, see it going up, and it pushes the gunge out, and boom, Bob's your uncle. And of course it's lovely and flexible, and hey. Now this other one, this isn't quite so much fun. This one, it just pushes into the top, which, okay, it was designed like that, but for me, it's a pain in the ass. Right, so this one's a bit wiggly. So what you've got to do, basically, is push up the plunger, right, so it's sticking out, push your little thing on, wriggle it down, and just as you do that, put in a bit of hot glue, and Bob's your uncle, except the fucking falls off. Okay, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can see which silicone tube I bought.